Hello traders, I hope guys you are banking very good profit. I'm back here with New York session analysis and I hope you liked my London morning session analysis. Today was an amazing day and most of my traders bank amazing profit, 100 plus pips at the London morning session and 100 plus pips at the New York session analysis. Let me share with you guys how I analyze at the New York session and help my traders to bank amazing profit. As always mentioned guys, if you want to see all that analysis in real time with a live audio commentary support, so most welcome, join my fast growing trader community. For more information, please watch the video description. Let's dig into the system. Let me share with you how I did at the New York session. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review in the future, so feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair, Euro USD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. If you look at the Euro USD, and if you look at the 4-hour chart, as mentioned in my analysis London morning and yesterday analysis, and if you haven't seen both of those analysis, the video link is given in the video description. So we were looking this breakout guys. As you can see here, we had such a beautiful breakout this morning. So we were expecting after this breakout pullback, retest, which price nicely did. So we have taken, first of all, we thought probably it's going to come back here. We have taken a counter long trade here, but later on we have taken breakout. As I said to you guys, we are intraday trader. So we have taken a short trade here, pull back, bank beautiful pips. As soon as the price hit to this support level, as you can see here, this level, we explained to my traders time to enjoy some profit, and some of the traders still holding short. But I just finished my day with a lot of pips. So I really enjoyed it. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the entries and exit. If you look at this morning, we were short and banked beautiful pips. And after that, as you can see here, this is the New York session analysis. I was expecting the price might gonna break, come back here and continue. But as you can see, we have this taken a breakout, which technically we came out at the break even, because as soon as the price moved 15-20 pips, I always mention to my trader, just move your stop loss at the break even. The system have functionality where they just press the one button, trade goes automatically at the break even. So with this trade, we came out at the break even, by the way. But once we see the price respected this level and develop a false breakout, as always mentioned, is always good practice. False breakout is also the sign for the reversal, as you can see here, which I explained because our bias was short here in the morning. So you can see here, once we came out of the break even, as soon as the price reverse, I said to guys, technically if you look at price develop another bearish flag pattern, so we have another breakout opportunity and we have another beautiful once the breakout is developed, momentum is developed bearish, then we announce all these pullbacks through live audio commentary, just in case if trader missed this one, they can join here, they can join here, they can join here. So you can see here we had a bank amazing profit on the Euro USD. Beautiful trade guys. So we'll see tomorrow if the price is going to break this one, then possibility of continuity short. Otherwise, we'll see tomorrow. We'll let you know tomorrow. Let's move into the pound dollar. We had amazing trade pound dollar. We were expecting a pullback. If you look at in 4-hour, as mentioned in my previous analysis, we were looking this breakout. As you can see here, price nicely broken this level. Our bias was short this morning. I was expecting if the price gonna break 100 EMA, then long, otherwise pull back short trade here. So we have taken all the short trade here and bank amazing profit. Let me share with you the how I analyze the entries and exit in intraday. We had amazing trade guys today, beautiful trades. All right, so as you can see here, this is the London morning session. You can see here we really enjoyed this ride, and as I said to you guys, we are intraday trader. Once the price developed, as you can see, the price was at the major support level in 4-hour, and intraday you can see here sort of like inverted head and shoulder pattern is developed. So we explained that look for this breakout because the price already developed a false breakout. That's information we provide with the live market, because that's the whole purpose, to train trader with the live market, not the historical price. Anybody can teach you with the historical price, but the most important thing is teaching with the live market. That's the interesting part of it. So we have this breakout. After the breakout pullback, you can see here beautiful. Once the price reverse, once the price develop false breakout, as I said, my trader, just guys bank some profit because our bias is short. So let's see if the price failed to break the above 100 EMA, and then we're expecting a short trader, which exactly happened. So once we bank some profit, as you can see here, price came back. I said, guys, let the market develop some structure, then we can think about it. As you can see here, previously price developed a head and shoulder pattern. I said to my trader, if the price is going to break, then probably going to be taking a long trade here. because the price already developed a false breakout. So this level was very important. You can see here price respected many times. So let's see here. So once the price developed a double top here at the sub resistance level, that give us the information. But as I said to my trader, look for aggressive breakout, safest way after the breakout pullback. So we have aggressive breakout. After that, we have safest trade pullback. That give us the confirmation of continuation. Price respected that 100 EMA in 4 hour. Beautiful pullback short trade here. Then price broken previous low and then another pullback. Another beautiful short trade here. As soon as the price developing a double bottom, I explained to my trader it's time to enjoy some profit. So our bias is short from the cable. We'll see tomorrow, but we really enjoyed it. As you can see in New York session, we really enjoyed it. All right, so let's move into dollar CAD. Was bit you know, I can say like, you know, challenging pair. But how we traded, because we were waiting for the PMI news, the main news was mixed. Let me share with you how let me explain to you 4 hour. As I explained to my trader, we haven't seen any candle close below this one. So technically we can see this is impulsive, and this sort of like a correction is developing it. So I said if the price, if we don't see any candle close below this level, so we're still looking for a possibility of reversal. So that's basically we have taken head trade, and let me explain to you how I analyze the price action. So in the morning, as you can see here, we had this breakout, this you know, let me explain to you here. Yeah, this breakout long trade here. Afterwards, as I said to you guys, look for pullback. Price nicely developed pullback, bank few PPs. Then I also did another analysis, as you can see here. As explained to my trader, look here, the price, if the price is going to develop false breakout, then possibility of long, and then keep taking a pullback long here. And if the price break, that's the continuation. Otherwise, if the price break, then possibility of short trade here. As you can see here, price nicely developed as mentioned in the analysis. That's what exactly we teach with the live market. So price action, so right, nicely respected, broken and retest, long trade here, nicely target hit, bank some profit. Price came back impulsively as I look for another pullback. That's we announced through live audio commentary as explained in the analysis. We have another pullback. So once the price broken, bank some profit, look for another pullback. We have another pullback. So even though we haven't seen any big move, but within the price action, that's why we train people with that intraday. So intraday we have a volatility, so they can understand, they can learn the price action with the live market. So bank beautiful pips. But the amazing trade, we had all the yen pair, guys. We have amazing trade, guys. You can see here all of them was red short. Let me take one trade, one euro yen, and let me explain to you how I did. We had amazing trade, guys, amazing. You can see here pretty straightforward, price nicely broken this one, and this is the retest. So once the price developed this pattern, you can see here price nicely respected previously. So we were our bias was short, and we're looking this breakout. As you can see here, we had this breakout, and we have taken all these pullback short trade here, and still most of the trader holding a short. Our target is this previous low. Let's see if the price gonna hit, but we manage all these pullbacks. I say, guys, every time price develop pullback, just keep taking it. Let me share with you the analysis. That was a pretty straightforward and beautiful, as you can see, because I just finished early today because a lot of pips, but most of the traders still enjoying it. Okay, so you can see here, and this morning we have this analysis pullback short trade here. Afterwards, price develop another pattern. Once we have taken this pullback, this is another analysis updated. We have scaling breakout short trade here, bank amazing profit. And then we have another pullback short trade here. You can see here another pullback to bank beautiful pips. And then another excuse me, guys, because I was talking too much with my traders whole day and through live ID squawk, so my throat is bit dry. So okay, so we have this another one beautiful breakout short trade here. At this man, when the price was at this level, trader was expecting possibility of long. I said to guys, look, let me do it. So if as long as the price does not break the previous high, just keep taking a short trade here. We have this breakout, pullback, pullback, and pullback. And once the price hit to the support level, bank some beautiful pip. That's what I explained to my traders. Time to enjoy some profit. You can see, guys, how we analyze market in 4 hour, and the most important part of it, because you know, watching the analysis review, I understand this is all things which is already been developed, but that's what I'm telling you, guys. You should be watching those analysis in real time and banking profit in real time. That's why you're going to judge whether whatever I'm explaining to you doesn't make sense or not. So that's why I'm telling you guys, most welcome. Join my fast growing trader community. And if you are struggling in forex trading, this is the platform, because my main objective is to train trader with the live market, so they can understand how it works and they can develop their trading skill in real time. And once they develop their trading skills, then I can help them to get funded and enjoying profit every single day. So I hope guys you enjoy all this analysis. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.